Hello friends, my name is Samir. This is my new YouTube channel. Name of the YouTube channel is SCW Classes. Today we are going to discuss about basics of chemistry. This lesson we are dividing into chapters. This is chapter 1. In chapter 1 we are going to learn about matter, element, atom, molecule, compound, mixture, atomicity and symbol. Let's start the our class. First one, matter. Matter means the things which has mass and occupy space is called matter. Things which has mass and occupy space is called matter. The things which has mass and occupy space is called matter. Second one, element. Second one, element. What is element? The basic of a matter that cannot be broken into the similar substance. That cannot be broken into the similar substance is called element. The basic of a matter, the basic of a matter that cannot be broken into similar substances. Similar substances. Examples for elements are hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, and etc. And etc. Or after element, we are going to discuss about atom. We are going to discuss about atom. Atom. Atom means smallest particle of an element. Smallest particle of an element. Smallest particle of an element. And elements are made up of same kind of atoms. Elements are made up of same kind of atoms. Elements are made up of same kind of atoms. Elements are made up of same kind of atoms. Atoms is dividing into four types. First one is monoatomic atom. Second one diatomic atom. Fourth one tetraatomic atom. Fifth one octatomic atom. Octatomic atom. Over. Atom is mainly dividing into four types. First one monoatomic atom. Monoatomic atom. Second one diatomic atom. Third one tetraatomic atom. Fourth one octatomic atom. Octatomic atom. For monoatomic atom, example is helium, krypton, argon, etc. For diatomic atom, examples are N2, Cl2, etc. For tetraatomic atom, examples are P4, AS4, etc. For octaatomic atom, example is S. Here, octa means 8, tetra means 4, di means 2, mono means what? Mono means 1, di means 2, tetra means 4, octa means 8. Write it. Over. Listen properly and note these definitions and points into your notebook. After atom, we are going to discuss about molecule. Molecule. Molecule means the smallest particle of an element which retain all its properties, and the group of two or more elements joined or combined together by a chemical bond is called molecule. The smallest particle of an element of an element which retain all its properties all its which retain all its properties, and the group of two or more elements combined or joined together by a chemical bond by a chemical. Example, H plus H gives H2, O plus O gives O2. Write it. Right? All of you writing? Or next compound. Next compound. Compound. Compound is a substance. Compound is a substance which composed of two or more elements. Two or more elements which are chemically combined with one another in a fixed ratio. Fixed ratio by weights. Fixed ratio by weights is called compound. Compound is a substance. Compound is a substance which composed of two or more elements. Compound is a substance which composed of two or more elements which are chemically combined with one another in a fixed ratio fixed ratio by weights. Fixed ratio by weights. Example H2O 1 is to 8. 1 is to 8. How here 1 is to 8 k means? I will tell. All of you written this over. The fixed ratio of H2O is 1 is to 8. 1 is to 8. H2. How 1 is to 8? Come. How 1 is to 8? Okay. So, for writing fixed ratio of any compound, first we want to read 1 to 30 elements perfectly. 1 to 30 elements perfectly with their mass numbers, atomic numbers, and symbols. Hydrogen mass number is 1. Oxygen mass number is 16. Hmm? Here H2O has 2 atoms, means 1 into 2. If 1 there means 1 into 1. 1 there means 1 into 1. Oxygen has 1 atom, then 16 into 1, 16, 2 into 1 or 1 into 2, 2. 2 is to 16 is a fixed ratio. Is a fixed ratio? No, it is wrong. Fixed ratio of hydrogen water molecule is 2 ones and 8 to 8. 1 is to 8 is a fixed ratio. Fixed ratio. Over. Now mixture. Mixture. Mixture is a substance which composed of two or more elements or compounds. Two or more elements or compounds which are not chemically combined. Don't confuse in compound and mixture. Compound means two or more elements which are chemically combined, but mixture is two or more elements or compounds which are not chemically combined. Which are not chemically combined and which are chemically combined. Which are chemically combined means compound, and which are not chemically combined means mixture. What? Mixture. Write the definition of mixture. Mixture is a substance. Mixture is a substance which composed of two or more elements or compounds which are not chemically combined. Example NaCl in water. NaCl in over. Mixture is a substance which composed of two or more elements or compounds which are not chemically over. After mixture, we are going to study about atomicity. Atomicity. What is atomicity? Listen properly. The number of atoms present in one molecule is called atomicity. The number of atoms atoms present in one molecule. Suppose H2O is a molecule. How many atoms are present? Two atoms. Then atomicity is 2. O2, O2, 2 atoms. Then atomicity is 2. Understand? I am writing definition. No. Atom. The number of atoms present in one molecule is called atomic. Examples: H2, O2, NH3, etc. We discuss about H2 and O2. We take another molecules. Cl2, NH3. Cl2 atomicity is 2. Why? Because it has 2 atoms. It has 2 atoms. NH3 atomicity is how? How, bro? How atomicity of NH3 is 4? How means nitrogen 1 atom and hydrogen 3 atoms. Then 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. That's why NH3 atomicity is 4. For you, one small homework. Find the atomicity of CO2. CO2 atomicity. Tell me in comments, okay? After atomicity, we are going to discuss about symbol. Symbol. Symbol means the shorthand notation of an element is called symbol. Shorthand notation of an element is called symbol. Actually, so many people are writing full name, but we can write in short notation. That is called symbol. Symbol means the shorthand notation of an element is called symbol. Is called symbol. The shorthand notation of an element is called symbol. Symbol is classified into two types. Symbol is classified into two types. One is single letter symbol, another one is two letters symbol. Over. Single letter symbols examples are single letter symbol. Single letter symbol examples hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, etc. Two letter symbol examples are helium, lithium, beryllium, chlorine, etc. Finally, we completed our chapter 1. That's it for today. For more chemistry videos, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Subscribe.